So to install Google Analytics, we'll open analytics.google.com. Uh, so you already have multiple other Google Analytics created for other properties tracking. So for me, it's already showing some results. So once you open, you should see a view like this. Go to the admin section of it and create a new property. Click on create new property. The new property is my blog. In fact, I forgot the URL of the blog. Yeah, startupfundingsummit.com, right? So my website is startupfundingsummit.com. Just copy paste that, like this is HTTP. Yeah, one second. Let me check if it's an HTTP or HTTPS. We have set up what we have set up. Okay, it's an HTTP for now. So let's just put HTTP for now, right? So this is there, this is right, and the category is basically into blogging. So you can select, I mean, I'm going to select books and literature. You can select whatever is relevant for you from here. Make sure the time zone here is India, and get the tracking ID. That's it, right? So you will get a very small tracking ID. So basically, to Google Analytics, for Google to track your website, you need to put a small piece of code on your website, right? So this is the small piece of code that you have to copy, and this code has to be kept in the head section of your website. So whether it's WordPress or whether it's any other site that you're running, make sure you're copying it in the head section of the site. So when we go here, uh, in your dashboard left hand side, so this is your WordPress admin panel, right? So once you log in, you go to the appearance section. Inside the appearance section, click on theme editor, appearance theme editor. Once you click on theme editor, you have to find the header file. It's header.php. So I'll just do a search, Control F and search. Yeah, I got my header.php. So yeah, this file is open, and this is head column head section. If I can see, sorry, the file got changed. Uh, so we are on header file, yeah, and this is the head section, and the head section is actually ending uh, here, right? So this is the slash head section. So I'm just going to copy, nothing, it's nothing to worry, just simple copy paste. Just you have copied that there from there, and it starts like this is Google Analytics script, and then you just update the file. Boom. Once it gets updated, your themes are saved. Then just hit start a funding summit URL again. My URL startupfundingsummit.com. I just want to open it up so that I want to test. So now you want to check if you have installed properly, right? The easiest. So Google allows you to check that also, right? So once you have installed this tag, you have a way to check the tag as well, right? Um, let me just check. Um, I think you have to go to the real time overview and see if you're getting any visitors. So go to the real time, go to overview, and you have one visitor here, which is me on the other side. So boom, you have installed your Google Analytics platform plugins properly, right? So ideally, why would you want to install Google Analytics, right? See, this is amazing dashboard you're seeing, right? So you would be able to know how many people are coming from your search, so from your SEO source, which is from your search source, right? So let me just take you to my dream store so that you understand what I am talking about. There you could see the real data, because with data it will give you a much clearer picture of why we would want to install Google Analytics in the first place. So Google Analytics gives you the overall idea of how your business is running. I mean, what kind of users are coming, what type of users are coming, from which location they are coming, from which source of traffic they are coming, whether they are repeating, whether they are from Facebook, whether they are from Google. Every single thing, actually comes up, and what pages they are visiting. So you could see a bunch of things here, right? So this is the thing that I was actually showing. So I'll actually take you to something called as the traffic section um, of the website. Like, one second. So if you see the overall traffic overview, I can add this to my other dashboard also. So see the percentage of social I am getting. It shows that like in today's time frame, only 6% of the traffic is coming from social, and direct traffic is about 879 users that I'm getting. And this is for digital summer project actually. Let me open my dream store, which should have more traffic. This summer project has less traffic these days, so you know, my dream store would give you a much better overview of what I'm talking about. It's taking a while for the project to load. So you want your SEO metrics are what? You would want to know how much percentage of traffic is coming from search, and you would want to know how much percentage of the traffic coming from search. Like if 100 users are coming, are they doing what you want? Like are they buying your products? Are they signing up for your blog? Or those kind of things are what you want to know about your website, right? So that's why you would actually want to install. If you see here, I've got a lot of mobile traffic instead of desktop traffic. So that's why it's very important to be mobile optimized. So let me take you to the traffic section, overview of the traffic section actually, so that it's graphical and it makes sense as to what I'm talking. So if you see, this is how our pie looks like, right? I'll show you what's the organic search component for my dream. So organic search is 6.5% over the last 6 days, right? And majority of our traffic comes from Facebook, hence it's showing social. Direct is something that it's not able to track others, and in fact, this is search. Paid search is also something that is Google's paid search. What we're paying. So about 7,000 users. It's actually toggling a bit. It's coming from Google. In fact, we even know how much percentage of these users are actually converting and doing transactions on our site, right? So let me show you another report that clearly shows this particular thing properly. Because some of this in this report, the e-commerce transactions are not configured correctly, hence it's not showing the report. I hope you're not taking it too seriously. These are things that is good to know. Just have them set up. Data will get recorded over time, and you will also see graphs like this, and you will get to know what to do with the data later on. But you should have Google Analytics set up from day one you start your business. Yeah. So I was talking, right? My social traffic was converting at 2.8%, and see this organic search traffic, it's converting at 1.9%, and I got 6,329 searches. This is brilliant, right? Like that means I got at least 150, 160 orders just by people searching for the brand keyword. Awesome, right? So that's why it's important that we have our metrics to understand how much percentage of the traffic is coming from organic search, how many of them are actually converting or buying on our site, right? So we'll set this up. For these to come, you have to set up the conversion. For now, you just install the Google Analytics plugin, and when we cover Google Analytics in detail, we'll probably discuss these things there.